Microsoft Publisher has a range of editing features, including find, replace, move, delete, undo, redo, setting the language, and checking the spelling and grammar. Moving an object is important in Publisher. To move an object, firstly select it so the circle and square boxes around the outside appear. Then you can click and hold and drag that around the page. If you want to delete something from Publisher, simply select it and then hit the delete key. Sometimes you can also use the backspace key, or you can right click on the object and select the delete option from the drop-down. You can change the language in Microsoft Publisher. To do this, find the Review tab and then the language group. Select the language option and then select Language Preferences from the drop-down. Here you'll be able to see the Publisher options for Set the Office Language Preferences. The Spelling and Grammar check will check the spelling and grammar in your Publisher document. To use this function, find the Review tab and then look for the proofing group. Select the spelling option and it will run a spell check. You can also use F7 on your keyboard to bring up this function. You can use the find and replace functions to search for a specific word in your document. You can use the replace function to swap that word with another one. To use this function, select the Home tab and then find the editing group. You can select the find option and it will come up with a find what. You can type your word in and then select find next. If you want to replace a word, select the replace option and type in what you want to find and what you want to replace it with. You can go through each instance of that word and replace it. If you have deleted something or made a change that is unwanted, you can use the undo and redo function to get rid of it. Simply find the top of your screen and select the backwards arrow, which is undo, or if you want to redo an object, select the redo one. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts. Undo is Ctrl Z and redo is Ctrl Y.